In this video, I'll explain why you need a pre-filter and the best kind of pre-filter for your UV or ultraviolet disinfection system to make sure it kills the bacteria in your well or lake water for your family. If your water source is well or lake water, you need to make sure that your water is safe and bacteria-free in your home, cottage, or cabin, because if you don't, no one else will. But keep in mind that although a UV system uses light to kill bacteria, those systems need specific types of pre-filtration to make sure your water is within the compatible range to make sure the UV will keep working to kill that bacteria long after it's been installed. And by the way, if you don't know exactly how a UV system works, I definitely suggest out my video here. I'll put a link in the description down below. So what are those pre-treatment requirements and how do you get them? All UV manufacturers stipulate these same water quality parameters in their installation manuals. First up is turbidity, or dirt in your water. It has to be less than 1 NTU, which is why you require a 5 micron sediment pre-filter to make sure no particles of dirt larger than the bacteria will pass by the light. If they did, the bacteria could be in the shadow of those dirt particles and not be killed by the UV light. The water hardness must be 7 grains per gallon or 119 parts per million or less, but ideally it really should be 0, because what happens is that hard water will scale up the sleeve, and then at first it's going to work fine, but as that scale builds up, the light won't be able to penetrate that scale buildup and kill the bacteria. Really, if your water is hard, you need a water softener to make sure the water is soft and compatible with that UV light. Iron must be less than 0.3 parts per million because, like hardness, those iron stains will accumulate on the quartz sleeve and shield the light from the water, just like drawing a curtain across that light. Now keep in mind, a water softener will remove up to 1.0 parts per million of iron, but the rest would need to be removed from a dedicated iron filter. When it comes to manganese, it needs to be less than 0.05 parts per million, because again, like the hardness in the iron, it will coat the sleeve, but this time with a black greasy residue, shielding the UV light from untreated water and preventing it from killing the bacteria. How do you remove manganese? With a water softener. So as you can see, if you've got hard water, iron, and manganese in your water, a water softener will take care of all three, as long as the parts per million of iron is below 1.0. So when it comes to tannins, or that weak tea color in your water, it needs to be less than 0.1 parts per million, or the light won't be able to penetrate the water with the correct intensity to be able to kill that bacteria. For situations where very little water is being used, you can get by with a tannin filter cartridge. But for a typical house, cottage, or cabin, you need a whole house tannin filter like this one. Maintaining a UV transmittance level of 75% or more is recommended. In other words, you have to be able to make sure that at least 75% of the ultraviolet light can shine through the water to be able to kill that bacteria. Not sure if your water is compatible? Well, you can either have your water tested at a local lab, or you can mail us a sample of your water for a free basic test. And to do that, all you need to do is go to our websites, waterestore.com in the US, waterestore.ca in Canada, and then just go to the top section here where you see this blue band, and then scroll over here where it says free water test evaluation. And then you just go down here and you scroll down through here, and there's some information here about where you can mail a water sample. And like I say, we'll do a free water test for you for free. And if you need it, we'll also check to see if your UV transmittance is within the right range. And when you scroll down a little bit further of the same page, you'll see there's a water information form. And we ask you to fill out that information. And from there, we can make some great recommendations for your family. So you're probably wondering right about now, why doesn't the UV system come with pre-filtration built in? Well, it does. And you can check out our Hume Safe Water 10 Ultraviolet Disinfection System. And as you can see, it has the two pre-filters and the UV light all in one unit. Super easy to install and super easy to maintain. And you can find it on our websites, waterestore.com in the US, waterestore.ca in Canada, and we offer free shipping and discount pricing. Click here for your next video on UV or ultraviolet disinfection filtration, and I'll see you there.